Hello, my name is Rick Drumm, and I am the founder of Peak Growth Solutions, Peak Leadership Teams, and Peak Micro Learning. Prior to starting those companies, I've led companies in manufacturing and distribution in the music industry, which included being president of D'Addario and Company, which is based on Long Island, and also president of Vic Firth Incorporated, which is based up in Boston. Um, so I ran companies for 33 years, and then I started my own coaching business. Again, Peak Growth Solutions, Peak Leadership Teams, and Peak Micro Learning. So I broke them up into three pieces because I use Peak Growth Solutions to basically go in and diagnose an organization. I created an app called the Hidden P&L. And what that app does is it does a survey of the leadership team, middle management, and frontline workers. So the leadership team has 30 statements that they rate, middle management 20 statements, frontline workers 12 statements. And out of assessing those statements, I can understand where the alignment or misalignment is inside the organization. And then I can help the organization see what their regular P&L isn't showing them. I call it the hidden P&L, and where they are leaking all kinds of money and opportunities inside the organization. Peak leadership teams does the fixing. It's on the ground. It is working hand in hand with the leadership team and helping them create alignment, create their culture, and create the right structure to help the organization achieve whatever vision that it wants to achieve. Peak micro learning is a series of 700 micro courses that range in time from 5 to 15 minutes. And that is really the maintenance of the organization. So those courses are each course is singularly focused on a specific topic, and they are asynchronous, and they provide a wide range of skill sets to study, but also, most importantly, the durable skills, which are becoming increasingly important to train your people on. So those are the three main services that I offer. I diagnose the organization. I work with the leadership team in person to help the organization with its vision of growth and execution. And then I also provide micro courses to continually train and maintain the workforce. My website is peakgrowthsolutions.com, and my email address is rick@peakgrowthsolutions.com, and my phone number is 774-249-5131. And I look forward to meeting all of you.